Is it time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroCloud Hologram. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has rated MicroCloud Hologram as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.89. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has not met our expectations, resulting in a decline of 8.6%. This equates to an average loss of 4.3% each day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is situated in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the top trend line at $12.70 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 95.09% to positive 29.73%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 73.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 71.71% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $3.28. Our latest daily update from MicroCloud Hologram includes the headline, MicroCloud Hologram Inc. Stock price took a fall of 8.6% on Wednesday. The MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock price fell by 8.6% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. The price decreased from $12.67 to $11.58. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.67%, reaching a low of $11.58 and a high of $12.70. The price has been quite volatile during this period, showing an impressive 2,044.44% gain over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume also declined on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, while in total, 1 million shares were exchanged for approximately $16.68 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $78, while the lowest was 36 cents. Currently, the price stands 85.15%, or $66.42, below the 52-week high. It is also 99.83%, or $6,988.42, below the all-time high recorded on the 19th of September, 2022, when the price peaked at $7,000. MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated, trading under the ticker HOLO, has recently made significant headlines by unveiling an innovative blockchain reconstruction solution designed to enhance the security of crypto systems. This development employs verifiable secret sharing technology, allowing for swift restoration and maintaining data integrity even in the face of severe cyber attacks. The potential implications of this advancement could be substantial for both their current market position and investor confidence. Just 1 month ago, HOLO filed its 2024 annual report, which highlighted its operational and financial performance, along with its commitment to advancing holographic technology. This level of transparency may bolster investor trust, potentially stabilizing the stock price in the near term. Furthermore, HOLO is actively pursuing pioneering advancements in quantum technology, including research into continuous variable quantum neural networks. This initiative could position the company at the leading edge of artificial intelligence, and quantum computing integration, making it increasingly attractive to tech-savvy investors. Additionally, HOLO recently announced significant investments in cryptocurrency, acquiring up to $200 million in Bitcoin-related securities, which, along with dividends, highlights its financial health and strategic foresight in a fluctuating market. In summary, these developments are likely to attract short-term interest among investors, potentially leading to upward price movement. The long-term effects could be even more significant, as successful implementation of these technologies may draw in new partnerships and market opportunities across various sectors, reinforcing HOLO's status as an innovator in both the blockchain and holographic technology fields. Analysts have assigned MicroCloud Hologram stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts continue to rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroCloud Hologram. The stock of MicroCloud Hologram Inc. exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support may be found at $5.45 and $1.76. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 22, 2025. And since then, the stock has decreased by 8.60%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased in tandem with the price, which helps to lower the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 464 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroCloud Hologram. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, showing a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, which categorizes it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.12 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 9.67%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 32.60%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's briefly discuss some crucial fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest ongoing profit challenges and possible bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroCloud Hologram is at $12.20. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2023, when Wang Maggie conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of $0.0001. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.97, a decline of 5.24%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 88, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? MicroCloud Hologram Inc. displays several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have reassessed our conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, downgrading it from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that MicroCloud Hologram will open higher by approximately 37 cents, starting the trading session at $11.95. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment choices on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.